Imagine if minutes from now you could create and sell your very own NFTs with one click without ever having to write a single line of code or spend any of your own money. It would enable you to tap into $2 trillion crypto and NFT business to become the new NFT millionaire for yourself, or sell NFTs to hungry buyers who can't pay enough to get their hands on the latest issue. Look, investing, trading, and owning NFTs has quickly become a costly experience that's reserved for either gifted developers or Silicon Valley type investors with very deep pockets. But why should they have all the fun? Today we're changing all of that from the ground up by offering a cost-effective and lightning-fast solution to create and sell your very own NFTs with just a few clicks. Zero coding, zero headaches, and most importantly, with zero cost for you. It's so easy to use. Even a 5-year-old could start their own NFT business with it. Introducing ProfitNft. It's the only cloud-based NFT creator that lets you design stunning, gorgeous NFTs from scratch with our drag-and-drop editor, publish and sell them on the blockchain, but without any coding or trading involved. And get this, without any fees either. Plus, you can use more than 30 done-for-you templates in any local or online niche to create the perfect NFTs in minutes, and sell them to businesses ready to pay you thousands for the privilege. As we've said, ProfitNft is fully newbie-friendly and doesn't require you to have previously traded or invested in NFTs. It requires zero knowledge or tech skills. And don't worry, we're giving you step-by-step in-depth training anyway to help you get started, publishing your first NFTs and selling them to others too. Plus, ProfitNft is a breeze to use. All you have to do to get started is log into our web app and start customizing your dream NFT. Most people are stuck having to spend thousands to get in the NFT game. ProfitNft lets you do it with one click from the comfort of your home, and with zero cost. Once you're happy with your NFT design, publishing simply takes a click of your mouse. You can even create NFTs for others the same way, and then sell it to them by sending them to any client that pays you for the privilege, local or online. And all with no limitations, no trading or investments, no coding required, no headaches. Use it for yourself too. Create your dream NFT and use it as your online avatar and branding. Sell NFTs for millions on the biggest platforms. Give them away to build a huge list leads. Run a professional business your competition simply won't be able to fight back. Use it for your clients too. Create NFTs for local businesses and get paid. Charge other people by the hour to create their dream NFTs. Sell packs of NFTs on places like Fiverr or Upwork. Create NFTs for free, then charge a monthly maintenance and hosting fee, while ProfitNft does all the work for you. The bottom line is this: you get all the benefits of NFT marketing, trading, and investment without any of the restrictions or downsides. With ProfitNft, you're in full control, and with built-in end-to-end SSL encryption, you're safe as well. Not to mention, we do all the SEO optimization for you, so your NFTs will show up high in the search results. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitNft during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of NFT creation together. Welcome to ProfitNft.